Web Video Map Tracks, or WebVMT, is an open format designed to synchronize location with video for the web. In Testbed-21, a away team analyzed dashcam metadata to quickly find relevant video content. Footage was recorded at Ordnance Survey's headquarters near Southampton using a dashcam system with front and rear cameras. Binary metadata, shown as green text, were exported to WebVMT and synchronized with video in a web browser, agnostically of the proprietary dashcam format. Analysis identified 3 metadata streams recorded at 10 Hz, including 3-axis accelerometer data and 2 NMEA sentences for location. Timing anomalies affecting more than 10% of samples were categorized. Misaligned times were rectified to improve data quality by around 50%, and these corrected JSON streams were exported to a VMT file. HTML data queue delivered timed metadata using synchronized queue events to a JavaScript application which associated values with location. Web page controls enabled selection of the accelerometer axis in real time with user-defined range or threshold limits. Filtering data on the lateral axis confirmed that either left or right-hand turns were correctly highlighted. Potholes can be detected from spikes in the vertical accelerometer data. Filtering for these characteristic patterns quickly identified 3 locations. Inspection verified that these positions accurately matched speed bumps, which were clearly visible in the synchronized video frames for further scrutiny, both ahead of and behind the vehicle. Vehicle collisions can be monitored in a similar way, using horizontal accelerometer spikes to swiftly find admissible video evidence. WebVMT simplifies geotagged video analysis in a web browser. Metadata have been accurately synchronized with video and delivered to a web application in binary and text formats, integrated with HTML. Sensor and map data have been aggregated to quickly identify relevant video content for road maintenance and collision monitoring use cases. Full details can be found in the Testbed-21 engineering report.